FormX Agent Studio is an AI-powered workflow automation platform, and it works across all kinds of document processes: KYC, accounts payable, insurance claims, expense reimbursements, retail receipt processing, and more. In this video, we're going to walk you through one example: invoice handling for finance team, so you can see how it works in practice. Most teams already have an accounting system in place, but even with that, someone still has to go through every document that comes in, checking if the form was filled out correctly, if anything's missing, or if the amount lines up with what was approved. That's a lot of manual checking. And when you're dealing with high volume, things start to slip through. That's the problem Agent Studio is built to solve. Let's see how we can set everything up. First, head over to Settings, Agents. The first thing you set up is what we call a manager. This is the agent that knows your entire workflow. You tell it what the process is, who's involved at each step, and what the rules are. You have two options here. You can write the instructions yourself based on your company's workflow, or use the configuration assistant to help you draft or refine them. Now let's go back to Manager and Agents. Scroll down and you'll see where you can set up different agents for different tasks. Think of it as building a team of AI coworkers. Each one has their own job, and together they move documents through your process. Here, we have an agent connected to FormX Workspace that handles data extraction from incoming documents. We also have another agent that reviews submissions and routes invoices to different approvers, flagging issues or stepping in to ask for missing information before things move forward. Once you've finished setting up your agents and the manager agents that orchestrate the entire workflow, Agent Studio reads through them and automatically generates a flowcharts of your entire process. This gives you a visual overview of the flow so you can easily spot anything you want to adjust. Here's how our invoice approval workflow is set up. A staff member uploads an invoice, FormX extracts the data from the documents, and a reviewer agent does an initial check. If anything's missing, it prompts the staff member to fill in the gaps. Later on, it gets routed automatically based on the amounts. In our case, invoices under $500 gets auto-approved. Mid-range ones go to the assistant finance manager. Larger amounts go to the department head first, before the finance team can process. Every team works a little differently, so you can add steps, reassign agents, or adjust the rules to fit how your team actually operates. Depending on your company policies, you can also automate any low-risk tasks to agents, streamlining your workflow further, making it more efficient in the long run. And workflows are just one part of it. You can also use Ask AI to pull together a spending summary for a specific team or generate a monthly report on invoice totals without leaving the platform. If you'd like to see how Agent Studio could work for your team's processes, book a demo with us today.